Welcome everyone to our next SAP online learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to export FS00 ZL master data in Excel. Enter transaction code FS00 in SAP command box, then press enter. After getting this tab, click on here. Enter your chart of account. Remove this 500. Click on continue here. Here is the all GL account list of your chart of account. Just click over here, hold Ctrl and press Y. Select all this data. Then Ctrl C. Open Excel file. Then Ctrl V. Here is the list of all your GL master. If you are unable to do this activity, then go to table, use transaction code SC16N, use table SKA1, enter your chart of account, click on execute here. You can export the data from here also. So by this way you can get your GL master record to Excel in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.